As for the fasts which are not obligatory, then what do? Well, for the fasts that are not obligatory, if you're fasting outside of the month of Ramadan, then it's not an obligation for you to make the intention before Fajr comes in, but you still have to have an intention. That intention should be at least before Dhuhr time comes. At least before Dhuhr time comes. Okay? At least before Dhuhr time comes, you have to make sure you do the intention. How do we know this? We know this from the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ as well, that the Prophet entered, and this is reported by Aisha and a number of the wives of the Prophet. So this seems to be a practice of the Prophet, that he entered in the house of Aisha, Hujrat Aisha, and he said, "Do you have anything to eat?" She said, "No, we don't have any food." So he said, فَإِنِّي صَائِمٌ. Then he told her, "Then I am fasting." Now, where did they get the idea that this can only be done up until Dhuhr time? Well, because the hadith is saying that the Prophet ﷺ asked for ghada. He asked for a meal which is taken before Dhuhr. Okay, they would have their lunch before Dhuhr time, basically, right? So he asked for ghada. Do you have something to eat for the ghada? And Asha is the meal you have after Dhuhr time, right? So, because of that, the ulama, they said that means that up until that time, it's okay for you to not have intended the fast if it's non-obligatory, and you can intend up until that time with one condition, a very important one, that you've not done until this point something that breaks your fast. If you've already done something that broke your fast, you can't fast in the middle of the day. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you've already had your breakfast, or you've already had, a cup of water or a cup of tea or whatever else, and then you say, okay, Dhuhr time, I didn't get any lunch. Bismillah, I'm going to fast now. That's not acceptable. The condition is that before that, from Fajr until that point, you haven't done anything that would break your fast.